Video we're going to discuss an important question of CSIR-NET September 2022. Okay, so without delay, let us start. Okay, this is a question of CSIR-NET. Okay, September 2022. Okay, and this is a question of part B. This question of part B means it's 3 mark question. Okay, so we're going to discuss this question. The question ID 312. It says that if each mode of it was z is 1. Okay, for component z equal to x plus y, then x and y are real number. Then which of the following are true? X equal to n pi, y equal to 2 n plus x equal to n pi, y equal to n plus pi by 2, and y equal to n pi. These are options. And something there are, I think there are one more option, x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 by any India. This is the fourth option, I think. Okay, so okay, so it's okay. See, any complex number, for any complex number z, see, for we can write for any complex number z, I'm assuming for any complex number z, x plus y, okay, and where x and y are real number. Okay, so what will be it var x, sorry, it var z. What will be it var z? It var z will be it var x plus I. Okay, okay, it var x plus I. You can write it var x into it var I. Okay, so this, so you can write it var x, it var enough, it var I by Euler formula. You can write this is cos y plus I sin y, right? This is a Euler formula. We know na this, since we know it var I theta, or theta is a real number, so you can write this cos theta, this is Euler formula, plus I sin theta. Okay, this formula is known as Euler formula. This formula name is Euler formula. We can say Euler theorem. Euler formula. Okay, so I am using this part. So it was z will be this, it was x into cos y and cos y plus I sin y. Okay, so what now? We have to evaluate e power z. We have to evaluate e power and e power z. So now tell me what will be this? It was z will be e x into cos y plus I sin y. So see, now we have to evaluate e power z. Na? So what will be this? Now e power z, I just evaluate, it will be it was x cos y plus I sin y, right? I put the value it was z. Now this you can separate as it was x cos y plus I it was x sin y. Okay. Okay. Now you can write it as like this. It was x cos y on term into it was I it was x sin y on term. Okay. Now if you take mod on the side, mod means modulus. So if you take mod on side, now mod AB, then mod of AB, this is total is A, if you name it B. So what will be mod AB? This mod A, individual mod of this and mod of this. So mod of e power x cos I is one term, mod of e power I equal x sin I. Okay, this is the same term, the modulus. Now we all know mod of equal I theta. But theta is any real number. This is a real number, na? It totally is a real number. Okay, so it's the form of equal I theta. Okay, mod is 1 because you can say we all know it were I theta, modulus eta I theta is nothing but I theta. You can write cos theta plus I theta, no? Mod of is cos theta plus I theta is 1. So similarly, you can say it's for true for n theta. So you can say it were I into it were ix, it were x sin y. Okay, sin y. This mod is again 1 because if you expand this formula, it's nothing but cos of it were x sin y plus I sin e to x sin I. Okay, if you take total mode, modulus is clearly 1. Okay, how? Because if you take the square root, na, if you take the modulus means square root, so square root of cos square e to x sin I plus sin square e to x sin I. Okay. Now cos square plus sin square for any real number is 1, na? So this is 1. So it's 1. So it is 1. Okay. So I am saying that this modulus is 1. So since the modulus 1, this only this modulus will left. Okay. It was cos y. Okay. So what will be it y then modulus? So you can say, okay, do you understand? This modulus is 1, na? This modulus is 1. So since the modulus is 1, so this will term will be left. But we all know this is nothing but exponential power because it is a power, na? E power x, it is nothing but e power e power x cos y. Now this is a real number, okay? We all know e power x is always gives a non-negative real number. See what will left, since this second part modulus is 1, so you will get this e to power z mod, you will get mod e to power x cos y. Okay. Okay, but we all know exponential power is always positive. Okay, always positive for any exponential real number. Okay, so this is a real number, so exponential is positive, so it mod means it itself. Because positive, not so no need to take mod. Okay, now it is given that, now if it's given that iter modulus z is 1. Okay, it's given that iter modulus z is 1. The condition is this, na? Modulus iter z is 1. E power z is 1. So apply the condition. Therefore, modulus of e power z is 1. So this implies e power x cos y 1. Now e power is a extremely positive real number. It's always greater than 0. Okay. E power x is exponential, na? So it's always greater than 0. It is when it is 1. It is 1 only when the upper part will be 0. If it is 0, then it is 1. So you can say e to power x cos y, this will be 1. Okay. Now we all know e to power x, no, sorry, it will be 0. Because we all know e to power, you can say ix. You can say it to alpha. To alpha will be 0. No, you can say this. E power x will be, you can say e power 0 will be 1. Okay. If it is 0, if power is 0, then it is 1. Otherwise, it always is positive. Okay. So since the power gives 1, so it must be 0. It rise cos must be 0. And since now we only explain is positive, now negative, na? It is never 0. So you get cos y will be 0. Aggregate cosine will be 0. Okay, because I just say you that exponential is always a non-negative function. Non means positive for any real number. So it's not 0. So in negative, so cosine will be 0. Now cosine will be 0 means y will be 2n plus 1 private. Okay, y equals to integer. This is the value of y. Okay, so I find the value of y. So what is my answer? So below y will be 10 plus pi 2. See this function x is n pi is not possible. Because if it were n pi, na, if x is n pi, if you put this equation x is n pi, then it is non-zero. It does not affect. Okay. So y will be 10 plus pi 2. This option is correct. Y not n pi and this is not. So this is part of question. So it correct option will be 2. Okay, option 2 is correct. Okay. So hope you understand the solution. Okay. If you any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. Okay, I'm not even not use any more hard concept in this solution. Okay, I've just used two fact. Okay, I've listed that. I've just used two fact in this solution. Okay, that you have to know. First one is e to power ix equal to cos x plus I sin x. Okay, is a Euler formula for any real number. Okay, this is a Euler formula. This fact I have used. Okay, and one more fact I have used, that exponential is always positive, means non-negative. You can say range of exponential function is always, you can say that if you can say 0 less than e to power x less than infinity. Okay, for any function, or you can say range of exponential function is always, but if you consider the function f from to r by fx equal to e to power x has that x belongs to r. Okay, then you can say range of f will always open 0 infinity is always positive. Okay, if I have this fact I have used. Okay, okay, and not more something. And one more fact I have used, this mod plus of two complex number z1 z2, you can say mod z1 and mod z2. It is true for any complex number. Okay, is to prove for any common number. This three fact I will use to prove this solution. Okay, to find the solution. Okay, so okay, remember this fact. Okay, so anyway, so please follow my channel, subscribe my channel while I upload more solutions in upcoming videos. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you.